Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something incredibly useful for you. Ever found yourself stuck with a PDF file that's password protected and you need to access it urgently, or perhaps you need to share that PDF without the hassle of a password, maybe with someone on WhatsApp or another app? Well, worry no more because we've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the password from a PDF using your mobile device. Alright, first things first, you'll need to download a handy little app called PocketScan. Don't worry, you can find the download link in description, and it's free. Once you've got the app installed, open PDF file in PocketScan and enter password. Now, here comes the magic part. The app will start processing the file, and within seconds, your PDF is now password free. You can now save and share it anytime, anywhere, without any hassle. See how easy that was? No more waiting around or stressing over forgotten passwords. With just a few taps on your phone, you can unlock any PDF file. You can also add a password to any PDF file effortlessly. Plus, there are many other features in this app that you'll find incredibly handy.
So, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more handy tips and tricks.